Not even that. I tell you what, when I first got my net, I bet you I'd be on the same as you. What are you on right now?
80 down, 17 up, I think.
Okay, I had a lot more down when I first got it, but my upload was never that high. The very best I ever got was like 120 down and like 8 up.
Even I got 120 down. That's my TGF sig.
Yeah, but you pay for 100.
I pay for 80.
Oh, yeah, I was only paying for 50, so it's a lot better off, innit?
Yeah, they're taking it back now.
I'm gonna have to turn my game sound down so I can actually hear you guys.
Nah.
But yeah, I uploaded all of the remaining parts of Ratchet Clank yesterday. Well, all the parts that were recorded before. And we'll
Oh my
finish
god, I
off
keep trying to
today.
move the camera with this friggin'...
Yeah, you can't move the camera.
What?
Come on. Upgrades.
Yay!
Oh, right, fully up it.
How do I do it?
XX.
I don't get to choose what to upgrade.
No, you have to upgrade them all anyway. Right, Chris, you did the Zoning Blaster as well.
Elite. Yeah.
Right, don't buy anything else now if you're going for the $1,000,000 bolt trophy.
Oh yeah, you got to have it in one sitting, didn't you?
Yep. Gotta have it all at once.
So where's my Sony Blaster?
Don't know I hold it now.
You should have it on your D-pad, Chris. What do you have on your D-pad? Like, press left on your D-pad.
So what's the difference with my shield now then?
It's stronger, lasts longer, etc. Is that your Zoning Blaster, Chris? Shoot it. No. Okay,
a
press...
drill.
Right, don't
There it
press
is.
down. Left, up, and right are your weapons. And that's not a
Shoulder.
Zoning Blaster. No, that's not a Zoning Blaster.
I have to
that?
change
Yeah,
it.
right. Nah. Oh well. Go on then, Chris.
Oh, here it is.
Yeah. Just use that for bosses and that.
Oh no. That was close.
Woohoo!
Alright, let's go. This way. Bye, Chris.
Oh.
I would laugh if you just went straight off the edge.
I did that when you DC'd.
Not.
Really?
Yeah.
I wish I was here
Oh.
to see it.
You what?
I said I wish I was here to see it.
Yeah, but what did Chris say?
Balls.
Why?
Because we turned into balls.
Oh!
There's boxes here, James.
Oh, there is.
Place ion
Damn it.
conduit securely.
Shut up, woman!
Hey, she's telling you what to do.
Yeah, she's a woman. She shouldn't be telling me that.
Yeah, that's
I should be
true.
telling her what to do.
I'm gonna say like every other woman.
Chris, put it in here. Oh,
What the?
I'll do it.
I put it in here.
This way, James.
No!
Balls, Chris fell off.
Okay, it seems like we killed
Alright.
Chris.
I got overexcited.
James,
What?
put it back in.
Oh, I thought we had to put it in that one.
No.
So dirty.
Sorry, I've not satisfied you yet.
No.
Put it back in.
Yeah, put it in properly.
It's in.
It's
Yeah,
in.
but why is it turning? I don't like it when it turns. Is it normal for it to glow bright like that?
Yeah, it's getting hot.
Ah.
You know, friction and all.
Well, it did get a lot bigger and harder.
It's disgusting, Sam. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Hey, it's only a kid's game. You're the one that's disgusting for
I
thinking
don't think I
that.
promote that to kids.
Hey, no kids watch my videos.
No one watches your video.
That's why I said it. I
that was-
know no kids watch my videos.
Nah, yeah, I was
That's
thinking
pretty
about
good.
what they said after.
Yeah, I know no kids watch my videos because I know no one watches my videos. Down here. Oh wait, hang on. Gotta turn this. There we go. Right, this way. On the fan. James, you might not want to stand there. I lied.
Can I get that box, please?
No.
It's full of goodness.
My bad.
Not moving.
I'm coming back. I thought Chris was gonna die then.
Nah. I just took a shortcut.
I should have jumped and broken myself. You got 2,000 out of that. That was not
2,000
worth
more
the
than I
time.
had.
Hey, that's not worth the time it took.
It wouldn't have taken that much time if you didn't.
Hang on. Chris, jump in.
Hop in. Ready, pal?
Alright, Chris, spin the
Yeah.
thingy. Chris, hold circle. Yeah.
Teamwork, baby.
Power!
James, do you want to grab that for me? And stick it in the dongle?
Dongle?
Yeah, the little hole. The
Like
version
USB
hole.
stick.
Stick it in the hole again.
No, Chris, you
Where?
shouldn't have come off it, yeah.
Oh. Why you saying that?
I thought it was obvious.
See, I stole that.
Bloody stealer.
Well, you know, it's what I do.
Boxes!
James, there's still boxes over there.
Oh shit. Help!
Oh shit. Oh, you caught me. Yeah, I'm using wrong weapon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's just only blaster. That slows time down.
What
Now
happened?
that Chris's
Cool.
only blaster, it's fully upgraded, so now all he has to do is activate it and it'll slow time down completely for us.
Wait, slow-mo's everything.
Yeah. That will be very handy for bosses later on.
Alright. Yeah, it got a limited amount of shots.
That's not gonna work.
No, I've got to wait for it to pop up. Hang on, there might be a switch somewhere.
No, you probably have to do that.
No, there's no R2. Yeah, come over here, man. It should have popped up.
Yeah. Maybe over here?
Just try shooting it. No.
Look, here.
No, nothing.
Oh,
Oh,
what's this?
hang on.
There's a...
No, the screen's not moving for us.
Did it
I think
glitch?
yeah, I was just about to say, I think the game's glitched.
Can we not just...
Oh no, more enemies.
Oh shit.
Yeah, we all had to hurt ourselves.
There we go.
There we go.
I'm ready.
Wait, where did you end up?
I don't know. I think I hit your wall. The wall.
Yeah, you have to aim it properly so the little aiming circle's actually on top of it.
A little bit of trouble here.
Very red.
Really? Oh crap, on the way.
Ready, pal?
We're ninja balls!
Connect Versa plugs to restore power link.
Gotcha.
We did this before, like.
What'd you say?
Hop in.
Something about restoring power.
Yes, yes you do.
Okay, cool.
Ah,
Hop in.
What the fuck?
see James, at situations like that, you're supposed to die.
But you stopped my bomb.
Oh, I'll probably top your bomb in a minute.
You ready, pal?
I look like I'm on fire or something.
Yeah,
Red hot.
Very hurt.
that's closer to your health, I think.
This is where I lit my finger and go... Oh, I'm hot, baby.
Nice.
So my way, Chris.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
You
James.
no, you grabbed it.
Grab that ion.
Okay.
I heard it click. It's over here, James. In there, yeah. Hang on.
Do I have to turn it?
No, just press circle. Right, someone go up to the top and do that little button that's going to pop out. Right,
Now we
no,
need to change this
no,
one.
Chris, come here.
This.
Chris,
You ready, pal?
drag that one down.
Do I have to still hold this?
No, you can let go now.
Ah.
No, you can't, though, we've got it anyway.
Ooh, boxes.
Right.
I'm in the money.
Perfect.
Do, 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 do.
Cable cannon.
Ooh, I get to shoot stuff.